last week on Thursday. It was passed out under 920 about our Meru Youth Service benefits. Now, during the Bogachio and we have a change in here, and we have a change in Mono, Bogachio and benefits, Chiao, White now. Umau, the polytechnics, Chiatu, with a Hodog, Omto, Akado, Makosi, Atara. Nagana with the Utukai, in Yavadia Podoma, to make sure about Chubabugi, with the Mono Gacho Panja, Athena Bugi, already 24 already Varachi, Dubai. Rojo to carry a process of your passports, processing and rate, can have with a 24 recruits pass out last week, last day. Rojo, it took over process passports by Wednesday, Bacavana passports, Chiao, with Dubai. Now we get on one hour, actually 67,000 per month. We have a good training. It will organize Kurukira governor, efforts collaboration with national government, can have a Tomba Wana Chia seafarers. Can have a Macado, Mabadi Kodoma, better with a Mary Chia cruise ships. Nalia, Parama qualify with a cruise ships. Urokona Mejay kind of Urokona $1,800. That is around 200,000 per month. So, Governor okay, about 920. Tom Oroka, I think we're down in the area.